Hello, my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. I'm here to share a D-stash that I purchased from Miss Melody 1970. This was a really nicely priced D-stash, and basically I jumped at the chance. It came in a priority box. I've already sprayed everything, and we're gonna see all the goodies that are in here. Okay, the box is empty. So she put everything in these bags inside of the box, and it is a stamp D-stash, mega D-stash. And a lot of you guys know that I cleared a lot of my stamps, so I was really excited to be able to bulk buy, because I love bulk buying whenever possible, some new ones. So I'm going to go through this first bundle here and just kind of quickly share them with you. We have this one from Kaiser Craft. This one right here. This one right here. It's got that pattern there. This cute one. This one. Oh, these are so pretty. And the reason why I purchased this is because I'm doing the ATC exchange. Plus, you know, you can never have too many stamps, and the ones that I had before, I just used them so much already that I was really, you know, excited about replenishing with some new, you know, something new that would inspire me to create for art journaling, different paper projects and things of that nature, because I'm slowly starting to get myself back in there. This is by My Mind's Eye, these right here. I'm also kind of like rearranging my craft situation. I'm going to be swapping areas altogether. So I'm kind of slowly getting towards that. Basically I'm starting to kind of like buy some things here and there that I know I'm going to be able to put in my crafty space, since I'm going to be able to have more of it. So I'm super excited for that. I'll probably share that process whenever I start building that whole situation. I'll share that and show you guys the before and the after. Some of these are like really pretty. I've never had these, and so I'm like, yay. A whole bunch of stuff I've never had. Super cool. Love this right here. Ooh, these are so pretty for art journaling especially. I like this. Maybe not so much the graduation stuff. The scroll is cute, but I could definitely use some of the other phrases on here. Oh, look how pretty this one with all these frames. Like I'm telling you guys, this was a mega steal. Mega steal. This one even comes with the dies. How cute is that? So that's the first bundle. And this is the second bundle. A lot of Unity stamps in this one. And I love Unity stamps. Okay, so let's move this over. And this one is like this, with this pattern. This one is like this. And you can tell she hasn't even used a lot of them, or any of them. This one has all these little flourishes. Oh, how cute is that little owl with the pumpkin. Little Christmas one. I hardly have stuff for Christmas, so that's cool. I get to build up a little bit of my Christmas stash. And if I find that I don't use them, then I'll just give them, I'll gift them away. Ooh, look at that cauldron. I love that. That's super cute for Halloween. Little bird and a heart to my Valentine. Oh, a cup of coffee. Christmas coffee nonetheless. Some strawberries. Ooh, some ice creams. Very fun and whimsical. This cute little bird. Isn't that adorable? Oh, look at the little mouse. Isn't that cute? And this cute little tree. And then I guess, aw, this is a nice little gift that she sent as an extra. It says, thanks so much for the purchase from Melody. I like the paper as well. So she sent these. Super cute. And the envelope. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Melody. This was super awesome. I will link her channel down below, you guys, but don't beat me to the Destash. I'm definitely gonna go and check out what else she might have, you guys. This is like a plethora of stamps and stuff. And all of these stamps for the amazing price, including shipping of $45, you guys. So with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys will give this video a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe. Leave a comment down below. What would you like to see me crafting, or what are your thoughts on this amazing Destash? Let me know, and your comment might be featured in my next video. So don't forget to go down there and let me know what you guys think. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have an awesome one till then. Thanks so much, Melody. And bye, you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.